I want to quickly talk about Angular a little bit. I know you guys are probably familiar with Angular because you're taking this course about the HTTP aspect of Angular, but I still want to talk a little bit about what Angular is. So Angular is a JavaScript framework, and you can use it to design your application and develop your application. You use it to build client-side single-page application. Angular was designed and created by Google. It's one of the most powerful and one of the most popular JavaScript frameworks out there, and I like to use it. I use it pretty much every day, and I like it a lot. Now, that doesn't mean that there aren't any other frameworks or library that you can use. React.js is also very, very popular. And even I am using React sometimes when I'm working on certain projects. So it really comes down to what I need, what I think will work best for the situation. And then I decide if I want to use React, or if I want to use Angular, or if I want to use Vue, or even jQuery, or just plain old JavaScript. So I know a lot of people like to compare, frameworks out there and libraries and stuff. But in the real world, when you need to build an application, it will come down to what exactly you need to build, how you need to build it. You have to take into consideration like security, scalability, and so many other things. And after you've reviewed everything or all the requirements for your app, then that's when you're going to make the decision if you want to go with Angular, or if you want to go with React.js, or if you want to go with some other framework like Vue or something else. So in this course, we're going to be looking at the HTTP aspect of the Angular framework. And that's one of the most important features for this framework, because most client-side applications need to manipulate data. And this data is usually hosted on some server somewhere, and you need to use HTTP to make requests to access this data.